Hey, what's up people, it is your guy here, DJ Cliff. Welcome again to this wonderful channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing down below and telling a friend about this channel, and please don't forget to like and comment down below. So I'm sure most of you are really having a very hard time editing or making your videos more interesting, and therefore the Wondershare Filmora 2024 has done it again. It has brought this wonderful application you see right here, and it has given us lots of effects and AI features, of which most of us were really looking about in other application. Most of us have also been looking on how we can also make our logos like you see right here on this clip of mine. Let me just forward a little bit so that I can show you some of the effects we've been looking at. And like you can see right, this effect right here, you see this is a cinematic mode you see right here, the one which Filmora has just given us. You see these are very wonderful cinematic effect, and therefore even when we go in front a little bit, we can see we have this one right here. This is a lower third logo right there.
Hey, what's up people, it is your guy here, DJ Cliff. Welcome again to this wonderful channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing down below.
You see this is a lower third logo which has been made by Filmora. If you want to get this effect, you just come to this section right here, and then we have festivals, we have portrait, we have creative, we have lifestyle. And by the way, you need to have valid internet connection, because right now I'm currently not connected to my internet, my internet. So these are the effects. You have the titles right here. You can also get the titles. So from those, from the cinematic title you see right there, you just get in this the title section right here, and then you need to download them. You should have valid internet connection to download these kind of effects. You see right here, we have this kind.
Telling a friend about this channel.
So let me just mute this one. So you can see we have this title right here. Let me just put this aside. So you can see we have this kind of a lower third logo. We also have that when you see the animation. Those one I really downloaded those lower thirds. We have also this one lower third title right here. Also we have this one here. I downloaded this one. You can see right that at that point. There's so many kinds of lower third logos you can get in this Filmora. This one I did not download, so that's why it's looking black that way. So make sure you have a valid internet connection to do all that. And then the transitions, we also have good effects like this one right here. This is transitions, you see right there. We have this first one, the Chinese mythology particle. We have also this one, and then in the filters we have also this filter, kind of a filter. You just drag this filter, put maybe to the part you want to edit, but I think I need to have internet connection because I did not download these filters. That's why it's telling me that. So let's go again, see in the titles. We've been there, we've been in effects, we've been in the titles, in the stock media. I am not connected, and I have the media right there. So when you install your Filmora Wondershare, this is the first guide it will give you. So let me just delete this part first, so that at least I can also show you what I've learned from this Filmora. So you just drag this part, put it there, isn't it? Then the effects now, where you'll always get the effects. For example, let me just put my title right there and say I'm just gonna do what? I'm just gonna put this lower third logo. So I'm just gonna drag it on the top. I'm not going to put together on this video you see right here. I'm just gonna put it on the top. Then I'm just going to double tap there, and then double tap in this text right here and put my title. So my title is going to be DJ Cliff. Sorry. So my title is going to be DJ Cliff, like that. So it is okay. So let's play and see how it's gonna, look like. You see, it's so beautiful looking at that. Let me maximize the screen and let's play. See, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. So you need to also try that simple task of just taking this part here and just putting on top of the video. Just a very basic thing, and it's the easiest way you can ever try in any editing app. That's why I really recommend anyone looking at this to try and put more in Filmora, because Filmora is there for you editors. So let me just again put this one on top here. This is going to be my intro. So I'm just gonna tap it again, then right there, then I'm gonna tap again right there, and then I'm just gonna put my title, that's DJ Cliff. So let's see the animation and see how it's gonna look like. Wonderful, very, very wonderful. You can see that, you cannot deny that. It is very, very wonderful. It looks professional. Look at that. So beautiful. Thanks Filmora for doing that. So guys, at least you've learned little of maybe those people who maybe it is their first time, maybe they're having quite some problems in editing their maybe videos, YouTube videos. So this is the best way you can use this application, and it's quite simple to use. Just like the way I've been telling you, you can let's try and play this and see how it's gonna look like. So that's my intro, my DJ Cliff Entertainment. You see that one, and then my lower third logo comes up. Just very easy thing to do. Mostly people are usually having lots of problem when it comes to lower third logos and putting their intros. So if you are having any problem, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and let's get to learn more in this Filmora new 2024 application. Please make sure you've subscribed down below, make sure you've liked, and let's meet the next video. Bye guys, love you.